I wanted to jump here to order type because this is something for I know when I started with trading, I just had to wrap my head a little bit around that, and that's the type of the type of order that you can have. So when you are sending a trade, let me just switch over here. When you're sending a trade, you're sending a trade relative to the price that you want the trade to execute at. So you might be on the S&P stock, and you might say, "Hey, I can see that I want my strategy to enter at any price. What's important to me is that I enter now, not that I get the best price, but that I enter right the second." And for that, you would use a market order. Okay. So a market order is, hey, broker, as soon as you get this order, as soon as you're able to go ahead and fill me, buy this position for me or sell this position for me, and I don't care what price it is, the broker will still try to get you the best price it can, but it's going to prioritize speed over your price. The opposite is true for a limit order. A limit order says, hey, I only want you to buy or sell the stock at this specific price or better. So if I say, Tesla's trading at $100 and I want to buy it at $100, set in a limit price for $100, but in that time the price moved up to 105, my order won't fill. It'll wait. The order will stay on the books at the broker and then only fill when the price comes down and to 100 or less. If it does, then I have a chance for my order to get filled.
And all the orders are GTC.
Good till cancel. So we'll take a look at that in a second. But essentially, I just wanted you to get the idea here between this market order and a limit order, because this could be sometimes one of the key differences for the performance of a strategy. You can imagine that someone might have a strategy and they've tested it on limit orders where they're having these perfect entries every single time, but that when they actually run it live and they run it on a market with a market order, they're getting filled at varying different prices that eats into the profits and makes the strategy not as profitable, or not maybe not profitable at all. So this happens sometimes. Some people go, well, I want it to be a market order because I don't want to miss the trade. Okay, fine. But if your performance depends on you narrowly getting in for a specific price, then you could be messing up.